Hello Numberblock fans! In today's video, we are going to explore with the Numberblocks square with a holes in club. Well, square with a holes in club, we can notice that the numbers which can divide it by 4, but except from number block 4 itself. Well, like 8, 12, 16 and so on, but except from 4. Well, anyways, let's explore the number block 8. Number block 8 can divide it by 4 is 2. Number block 8 is the first member of the square with a hole in club. Because the big square is 9 and 9 minus 1, which is at the middle, is 8. So that's why 8 is in the squares with a hole in club. Right. Number block 8 has spiky eyes to rabbit, and one eye has 4 spikes, so 2 lots of 4s are 8. And we can call him Octoblock. There. And don't forget his number link. And here's our finish, number block 8. Next up, number block is 12. 12 has 10 white blocks and 2 orange blocks. Well, 12 is the second member of square with a hole club. Well, you see, 12 has 4 by 4 square, but with a hole. It's because the number block 16 sneezes. Well, you see, 16 sneeze, the middle, the 4 blocks at the middle is popped out. That's why she has 4 by 4 square. And we can use one faceplate by her tall formation to put on to make it more beautiful. And don't forget our number block 12 number link. Oh, I think I should put here. Well, here's our finish, number block 12. Next up, number block is 16. 16 is the third member of the square with a holes in club. Well, you see, 16 has the 5 by 5 square with a hole. And this is because the number block 25. 25, when she sneezes, she pops. The 9 blocks shoots off. And then, because 25 is equal 16 plus 9. And 9 also sneezes too. That become 8 and 1. So that's why 16 is in the member of the square with a hole club. Well, square with a hole club, we can recognize the numbers which can divide it by 4. But except from number block 4 itself. Well, here's our faceplate. And don't forget her number link. Well, here's our finish, number block 16. Next up is 20. 20 has 20 peach blocks. Well, 20 has 6 by 6 square. And this is because 36 sneezes into 20 plus 16. 20 plus 16 is 36. That's why he has 6 by 6 square with 16 blocks missed, which is cut off at the middle. Well, 20 also can be divided by 4 because 20 is 5 lots of 4s or 4 lots of 5s. That's why he is in the member of square with a hole club. Well, we use one for tall formation to put the number block 20. And then we also need a top hat because 20 loves to dance with the 2 tens tango. And don't forget his number link. Well, here's our finish, number block 20. Well, let's go to the number block 24. 24 is made out of 20 and 4. Well, 24 is the member of the square with a hole club. Well, you see, 24 has 7 by 7 square and has 5 by 5, which is popped off. Well, 24 can divided by 4 equals 6. 6 fours. That's why she is the member in the square with a hole. But she is also the super duper rectangle club. Well, we got 7 by, by 8, sorry. Alright, I'll build again to make it more beautifully. Well, here's our number block 24. And we need a faceplate of 2 faceplates. 1 peach for her mouth and 1 green for her eye. Number block 24. But we also don't forget the number blocks 24's number link. And here's our finished number block 24. Let's build number block 28. 28 is the member of the Square with the Hole Club too. Because 28 is the 6th member of the Square with the Hole Club. Well, you see, 28 is 8 by 8 square with the number block 6 by 6 in the hole, which is missing. Well, 28 is because number block 64. 8 by 8 is 64, and 64 minus 36 is 28. Well, here is our number block 28. And then we need a faceplate. I put it at the bottom because 28 face is at the bottom in the original shape. There. Number block 28. Let's build our number block 32. 32 has 30 light yellow blocks and 2 orange blocks. 32 has 9 by 9 square, but without the 49 blocks at the middle, because 81 minus 49 is 32. 4, 8, 9. And then we put it like this. And then we also put like this. Then like this. Oh, the dual connector is a bit difficult to build sometimes, but that's okay. Alright, it looks a bit ugly, but anyways, let's, for this number block 32, we need the face stickers. So we just put only the her face sticker. Well, let's attach the face of the number block 32. 32 has the face just like 12 because it represents the number block 12. But also she's the member of the Super Rectangle Club because she can make 6 rectangles. That's why she has rectangle eyes. Well, 32 also has the orange features. This is because 32 has 2 orange blocks in 32. It looks a bit ugly, but that's okay. Here's our finished number block 32. Next is number block 36. 36 is made out of 30 and 6. Well, 36 is also can be 10 by 10 square. Well, because the number block 100 is 10 by 10, and the 64 blocks shoots out. That's why 36 is the member of the Square with the Holes in Club. Well, also 36 has a step-shaped mask, and this is because he is the member of the Step Square Club, and he's also in the Square Club too. Well, anyways, here's our number block 36. Let's attach a face sticker. Here is our face sticker. We put it at the top first, and then we put our mouth at the under. Oops, so sorry. Like this. And here is our number block 36. Last but not least is number block 40. 40 is in the member of the not Step Square Club. In the Square with a Hole in Club. Well, 40 is also in this club too because 11 by 11 is 121. But 121 is an official number block, so that's why I put 40 to make it better. To make it cooler, because 4 times 10 is 40. Let's attach the face sticker. Let's attach the face stickers. 40 has the checkered eyebrows, and this is because two 20s are 40. One eyebrow has 20 checkered eyebrows, so two 20s are 40. And 40 can make only rectangles, oblong rectangles, not a square like 4, because 4 can make only a square, but 40 cannot make at all. Well, let's put his mouth. Right, here's our finish. Number block 40. Alright guys, let's review all together. Number block 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and the last one is number block 40. Well, every numbers are in the Square with a Hole in Club, but not all. There's 44, 48, 52, and numbers which can be divided by 4s, but except from 4. Well, that was the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this video, you can click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications from my new videos. So, see you again next time. Bye bye!